These AI wooden handcraft animal videos are exploding on social media right now and pulling in millions of views. And the best part, this niche is completely unsaturated, so there are high chances of your growth. Let me show you how to make these in just 2 minutes. First, open ChatGPT. Here, go to Explore GPTs and search for handcraft designs. Once you find it, start a chat. Start a new chat. Then GPT will provide us 10 different types of design to choose. We are going with animals. Then GPT will ask for which animal. For this example, I will choose lion. Then GPT will provide us a highly detailed image prompt and a video prompt that is designed to animate this image. Copy the image prompt and head over to Google Flow AI. Here, select image mode and choose your desired settings. Paste the prompt in the prompt box and hit enter. Wait a few seconds and your image is ready. Now it's time to turn your image into a video. Go back to GPT, copy the video prompt. Return to Google Flow, choose video mode and add this image to prompt. Select Omni Flash as your video model. Select video duration to 10 seconds. Paste the prompt in prompt box and click generate. Wait a few seconds and your wooden handcraft animal video will be ready. You can create endless variations using this with any animal you like. If this video helped you, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss upcoming viral niches.